What's up, guys? Today I'm going to be rebuilding the fuel pump assembly and a little bit of the fuel system on my LS swapped 1980 Monte Carlo. Okay, so first thing we gotta do is jack it up and drop the tank so we can get the pump out of it. Coming up. Perfect. You got one of these, it helps a lot. In between the straps. Next, we're going to disconnect the battery because you can't take the pump out while it's live. Okay, we're just going to undo the return fuel line, see if anything drains out. If not, we'll do the high pressure fuel line and try and drain that out into this little bucket here. So here's the assembly. I built this like 10 years ago out of the top. So the swap is from a 98 Chev half ton. So it's a 5.7 Vortec. This is the pump and the assembly out of the truck. Now it's been customized and shortened to fit into the G-body tank. And when I did this 10 years ago, I was doing it hella cheap, just building it with whatever I had laying around, and now I want to do it better and make sure that it's, you know, solid. So the issue right now, as you can see, it just kind of, you'd punch it and it would probably shake around. A lot of these wires are all janky and shitty, and there's actually no foot to actually hold the pump, so it can kind of just bounce around in there. I saved the foot from when I had to shorten it. Now we're gonna do it right. So I'm gonna take this all apart and fix it. Put it back in. Okay, so I just shortened up the return line here, and we're just gonna kind of roughly test fit this shit together like this to make sure that. Perfect. Yeah, that will be good. Weld that all together. We'll have a foot for a pump now so it won't shake around. Fuel gauge should almost be perfect. That would be empty. It won't quite get to, actually maybe it will, because there'll still be the gas sock there too. Let's measure one time before we decide to weld this permanently. Looks pretty good. I'm gonna go take one more measurement on the tank, and then we're gonna weld this back together, and hopefully it'll be done. Woo! So look at that, pump sits up in the foot and it's just perfect for a little hose to clip together on there. Woo! Looking good, man. Fixed all the wiring and stuff, should put it back together, it should work forever. Forever! Got the pump on the assembly, everything lined up perfect. Got the little boot on, just plugged in the last couple wires, we fixed the wiring. There we go, done. Fuel pump assembly, oh, it's not wiggly anymore. Got full travel on the pump or the gauge float. Wires won't be in the way, that's important. Your pump boot or whatever won't be in the way. Got that all set up right. Ready to go. You can put it back in as soon as we're ready. Okay, so I am installing this fuel pump assembly, which I have overhauled. Basically, just rebuilt it. It was kind of janky. So now we got this extra long pigtail to hook into the truck wiring harness. It wasn't long enough. Put the plug on there like it should. Okay guys, first start after rebuilding the fuel pump assembly, fuel lines and whatnot. Hope she starts. Oh, I don't hear nothing. Uh-oh. Okay, this time it should start. Oh, bit of fuel pressure. Fuel pressure was crazy. Test number like 8. Final test before we're done reinstalling shit. Yup. Okay, finally.